Welcome to day 16, the last full day that we've had here. We've had a lazy morning by the pool, we've had lunch, and we're heading out for our last park day. How's everyone feeling about the last park day?
Good.
So yeah, we're heading to Magic Kingdom. That was the plan for last park day, and we're staying for the fireworks.
It's not sad, plus, and then I can see my baby Oscar.
Oh, we're excited to see Oscar the dog.
Missing that.
There we go. Anyway, we'll see you there. Might do some bits on the way. Last day. Last time pulling in.
Wait,
Yeah. You don't want to go back to school on Monday?
I want to see Oscar on Monday.
Oh, you want to see Oscar on Monday? I do not want to be going to work on Monday.
Yes.
Do you want to be going to work on Monday?
I never would.
If you want to go to school on Monday? Maybe we'll stay.
Hello.
Yes, please. Thank you. Lovely.
Parked up. Good to go. Last time getting the tram in. Last time through security. The joy as always. They're very friendly and efficient. So, this man's.
Havana Animal Kingdom told us about them. Says everybody's got them and nobody else has got them. Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for that. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Aaron. Look at that. They'll be happy now.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.
You guys have a great day.
You too. Last bit of Disney. Well, hopefully not the last bit of Disney Magic. Yeah. I know. Who you let him get burnt?
I did not.
You did. Is it back running, the monorail? Is the monorail back running now? Yeah.
Yes, it just came back up.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Yeah, I think
Monorail was down, back up now. Monorail.
Flip it over so you're all kind of on that box right there. Okay, here. There we go. Alright, we're gonna start with you. Princess, fist up in the air. There we go. Don't worry, I'll do you too, bud.
you're gonna go.
Go, 1, 2. And now you two swap.
Stop over. No, we have to go.
Alright, buddy, fist in the air. Good job. One, 2, 3. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are smiling after dawn when Mary holds your hand. You feel so your heart starts beating like a boom, boom, boom. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, it's a jolly holiday with Mary. The wonder that is Mary that we love.
First time we've seen the
The wonder
chaps out. Forget the name. It is mega hot out. So we're all having something to cool down. Frozen lemonades for the kids. I like the Mickey sandwiches. I mentioned it before, it's my, you know, normally something from my youth. But from this, when we entered the park, Space Mountain was a 35-minute queue. We got to the entrance as I was turning 45. it went 55 and there's people queuing outside. It's not 55. So we've tied that off and we're going to reevaluate.
Sus pequeñitos. Gracias.
Are you okay?
Please remain seated until
I can't stand up.
Dad made us
Ah, you missed out. It was great.
Dad made us
How was the Mad Tea Party?
good. Matt is my happy.
Thank you. 45 and it's 10 to 5.
What shall we else take leaves? That's it. What kind of treasure is this? Thank you. So you can say thank you, Roger.
Thank you. Meeting Ariel took 10 minutes. I really need to put on my sunglasses but I can barely see. So yeah, 10 minutes to meet Ariel. Just nipping into Gaston's little shop. Tavern over there. See what treats are in here. Ooh. Wives are ruining.
Probably have a lot
Yeah, Hello.
Hello, what are you doing here?
Where's he? Oh, I don't think he's noticed yet, has he? No. How long will it take?
Well, they're not here.
No? You were looking over in the corner where they were.
Did you not recognize
I was just looking at the stuff they've got in here because you guys got the line of stuff there.
Snow White light up figurine. Interesting.
She was looking at this painless colour.
No.
You like that one, do you?
Oh, we don't have a second time, but we can make one. Should we turn this one into second time?
You too?
Did you see Mum and Dad?
Yeah, I saw your mum there when we were looking at them dolls. Did you walk past her?
Oh, was she in here before then?
I'm not sure, but
Birthday card, you should.
that's cool. canvas.
Taste card
$199 for
Look at this. Look at this in the shell.
See, I like this. I wonder would your mum like this.
This is in the shell. I know it's an ornament.
$24. So this is how we are using our lightning lane that we got from yesterday. Beside the Peter Pan, it's always 60-70 minute wait, and we're going for it. We're gonna make the executive decision. It's not worth queuing for, so we're going for this. We'll queue for other things if we want to. We met Nanny and Dada John. What are the chances of that? Magic Kingdom. Just bumped into them. Peter Pan stopped. I believe this lightning lane is cursed. The ride has stopped. It's been a long, long time and we've yet to do anything, but I think we're about to move. Or maybe not. The Joes and we're away. Oh! We're stopped. Peter Pan's cursed.
May I have your attention?
The ride
Please
is
remain seated.
blocked.
This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time.
It only started
Please
temporarily.
remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
Hold on to that very tightly.
Seemingly we're gonna
Told you.
We have stopped once again. We have made
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety.
Hold that
Thank you.
phone. I need a wee. I need to pee.
No scream that time? Looks like it might be gonna rain a little bit. So where else would you come to spend some time if it's raining other than? So yeah, last little trip down and It's a Small World. It's a Small World done last time. Wasn't done, Fion's waving them all. Are we going for it? Are we going? I like under now. The piers. Come on. Day of finales, final ride on Space Mountain. Advertised 35, but it got really busy because it was rain and everything was shut. We waited 45, so it moved a lot quicker than the other day when we got caught on it. And I think there only was one car on the side that we were on because the line just seemed to move loads quicker, and we had to queue the whole way from the entry. The fireworks dessert party. Jane and John have done that before. I think Sarah and Adam got them for a Christmas present. Pretty good, I believe. Plastic cases. Not super adventurous, but it's easy. get something to eat.
How many was it?
This is our safe little dry spot. Just
You have to go outside to talk.
no. Last day. Magic Kingdom, and it turned out to be a bit of a wet one.
Are we in the country?
Yeah, no ponchos. Last day of Magic Kingdom. We said we chanced it. It was close. We are still trapped in here, can't get out. Literally blocked in by people, and thankfully because everybody's drawn. Kids are down there, me and Sarah here, chilling, busy in cases. People are getting food. So, yeah. Some thunder and lightning, some thunderstorm. Good one. So it's almost 25 to 9, so fireworks should be on at 9 o'clock.
20 past 9.
Oh, 20 past 9, so whether that happens or not. Lots of people taking cover because of the wet rain. Just trying to hunt down my children. Come here, Charm. Very pretty. $128. Lots of nice bags. Lots of nice jewellery. A lot of stuff in here. Should have making a lot more now, seeing as the fireworks will be coming on in a half an hour. Snow White bag, $60. So when we were inside, I spoke to a really helpful cast member, and I was asking about fireworks, what would happen normally, and he said that as long as it's not thundering or lightning, they will put off fireworks. They can be delayed, but they will go off. If it rains, it's just not a problem, but within 10 miles of having lightning or thunder, it won't go off. He did mention that because once they're loaded, they have to be set off. Sometimes because they're being charged and ready, they will be set off, and it can be 1 o'clock at night because they have to be set off. They can't be taken out and used the following day. So that's some information that I didn't know. In the main shop hall.
Emporium here.
We're in the Emporium and it's round. So yeah, really busy in here. Everyone's trying to make their way out. Fireworks may still go ahead.
And bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within. Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
it, guys. Say goodbye to Magic Kingdom. Have you had a good time here? Here, Sarah, for Jane, get a picture. Give him a high five, Fionn. Go on. Oh, no, there we go.
One more excitement before you guys go home.
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
You guys not gonna blame me, right? I'm asking the permission.
Yeah.
Alright, well, hold on to your small children's. Please. I'm for real. Hold on to your small children's, small items, and this will be your magical night. We are about to make a U-turn, 5 miles per hour.
You're a magician.
So, please, hold on to your small children's. Here's the curve.
Is this
And this is the excitement. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Just put your hands up in the air like you don't care. Your eyes are you clear? Did you have fun?
Concludes day 16 and our last full days in the park. We had a really good time in Magic Kingdom. We're just having a little drink and chill. Kids are in bed and it's up, pack and flying home tomorrow, which is sad. Don't know what we've got fully planned, but mainly packing, getting tidy up and ready and across to the airport. But we'll probably do a short video tomorrow. Bye.